2023 Mustang GT 5.0. This is what it sounds like before we put the MBRP race system. Here you go. Go ahead. This is stock. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 103. Again. And there's the MBRP system that has no drone. That's why they added a J-pipe on it. And it's an H-pipe system. It's a race system. So we'll have a link in the description for it. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll get it installed and let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, we got a 2023 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 Coyote. Only got 4,000 miles on it, all the way from good old Alabama. We appreciate them coming down. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it usually comes a resonator, which is right there. And there's the mufflers. We took that resonator off and ran a true dual system with an H-pipe from MBRP. I'll get you guys the part number in a second. 3-inch all the way back. Really well-built system, as you guys can see. It's got these J-pipes, they call them, right there on each side. That's to cut down on drone. So that's why they add those on there. If you guys didn't know, now you know what. What happens is the sound comes in here, and then it gets canceled out in there and then goes back out. There's the sexy tips on it too, the quads. The part number on the system is an S7207. There'll be a link in the description for it. All right, guys? That's how the system looks like right there. That's when it's on the car. Really nice, really clean system. Bolt on. And it was an easy system to put on. We didn't have any trouble putting it on. So they did a quality system. There's the two mufflers that were on it right there. There's the resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out. And there's the two pipes that were on it right there in the middle, midsection. So it's all 2.5. We cut it all off and did a full 3-inch system on it. Hope you guys like the sound once we drop it and let you guys hear it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's got a beautiful, rare green, eruption green. Look at this thing. Ford Mustang. Not a lot of them came in that, which is cool. I've never seen a green one. I've seen the billet ones, but not just a regular GT. Anyways, it's a 5.0. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Boom, boom, boom. So it's got factory converter there, factory converter there, then flex pipe. And then we took the resonator off and made a custom H-pipe, exhaust Addicts H-pipe. We didn't buy one or anything. We made it in-house. Look at that. Beautiful H-pipe. Then, pipe continues. We took the rear mufflers off there and replaced them with two Flowmaster Outlaws. Part number 815425. Right there and right there. And then finished it off nicely with two Natami tips. Here's the part number on the Natamis. Double wall, black chrome, staggered tips. I'll show them to you guys in a second. Right there. Just fills in the gap nicely and accents everything else that's black around on the car. Very clean, very nice. There's the two mufflers that were on it with the tips. And there's the resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out resonator and the two mufflers. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. One more. Sounds really, really clean. It's just clean sound. Do you like it?
So that's what I like.
Yeah. It's perfect.
It's good exhaust.
Yeah, it's a clean sound. And believe it or not, it doesn't hurt my ears. Like it did with the Challenger. I like it. MBRP system. I love it. Ford Mustang GT with H5 H-Pipe and Flowmaster Outlaws. Here's idle. Right at 85. Give it gas. It's perfect. I like it. Yeah, it's really nice. You got chills? Heck yeah, that's what we like to hear. Again? Here's sound decibels with the Revs. 114. Again? It gives it that bite, you know? It's a nice combination with the Outlaws. Again? Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. Here's our phone number. Give us a call. We appreciate everything you guys do and watch for us and support us. Just like we support you guys with all these videos, so you guys get to know what these cars sound like. We're making history, one car at a time. Yeah, it's clean. I like it. You know what I need to put next? Pro Charger. One came with a Pro Charger like this one. On these 5.0s, oh my god, dude, it was sick. Yeah? Yeah, it's clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang GT50 2023 MBRP system. I'm getting better at saying that, guys. Hey. Beast mode? That sounds so good. I like that system, man. I wonder how the drone is. Here we go, guys. I called it a chameleon green Mustang. The color, bro, in the sun is freaking amazing. Look how it changes color in the sun. See that? Ah, it's perfect. Flowmaster Outlaws and H-Pipe. Come get you guys some. Only at Addicts.